Now, the goal of this exercise is to work on overall posture and activation of specific postural muscles. And at the same time, it's almost an abdominal exercise in disguise. So once you're in that quadruped position, we're going to go opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're going to try and draw a nice straight line from the end of the hand to the end of the foot. And what I want you to do in between reps, as you're noticing, neither my hand or my knee touches the ground. So it's really combining that element of balance in recruiting the abs and glutes even further. So exhale through the entire rep, and at the back of that rep, squeeze your glute when your leg is straight to stabilize the pelvis, and then inhale between reps. And again, as you exhale, really use that exhale to get the abs to engage even more.